I want to say thank you to all my sponsors. Lily Ragasa, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Tatay Jack Fords, thank you so much po tatay. Trexibilia 11, thank you so much po. Manny Civiliar, thank you so much. June Espino, thank you so much. Kay naman in Canada, thank you. Kyle Elkins, thank you so much. BGA Solo Surveyor, thank you so much. Shaolin Ed, thank you so much. Woody H. Nasol, Woody Nasol Vlog, thank you so much. Jing H. Nasol, thank you so much. To all my super chatters, super stickers, thank you so much. Leisure, thank you so much. Benz, thank you so much, Kuya Benz. Kuya Woody, thank you so much. Woody Nasol Vlog, thank you. Atawi King, thank you so much. Rochelle Cycling Life, thank you so much. And Rain Adventure, thank you so much. To all my super chatter, super stickers, members, new members, thank you so much. Thank you so much to all of you guys for always supporting us. To all Team Dintech, the Power Forces, thank you so much. And I love you so much, guys. Mama.